Hi there! I'm the Deals Master, and in this video, I'm going to show you some of the best Amazon deals that I've found recently. Without further ado, let's get started! Number 1. Paxiland Clear Backpack Stadium Approved 12126. The clear backpack is 12 by 10.5 by 6 inches. The main compartment has plenty of room for iPad book. The side mesh pocket can hold bottle or foldable umbrella. The front pocket is suitable for makeup bag and cell phone. The straps are adjustable with a range from 15 to 30 inches. Original price, $15.99, now discounted 62% to $5.95. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 2. Smart Keyless Entry Door Lock, Garter Smart Deadbolt with 300 user IP56, waterproof front door lock. Silent mode, turn the sound on and off. Visit mode, after this mode is turned on, it will not be locked and free to open the door. Zinc alloy and aluminum alloy material, 100,000 times laboratory unlocking durability test. Standard IP56 dustproof and waterproof structure design, suitable for use in North America. Original price, $64.99. Now discounted 40% to $38.99. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 3. Nourison Essentials Indoor-Outdoor Ivory Beige Rug. Nourison Essentials area rugs are crafted for rugged performance, but never sacrifice style for function. With low pile and surged edge, each Essentials rug is designed to withstand heavy traffic, including kids and pets. Ideal for your porch, patio, balcony, poolside and deck, or living room, dining room, family room, and other gathering places. Original price, $94.0, now discounted 63% to $34.78. Number 4. Smart Keyless Entry Door Lock, Garter Smart Deadbolt with 300 user IP56, waterproof front door lock. Service guarantee 30-day money back, free replacement in 1 year and lifetime after customer service from the date of purchase. Online phone call service from Monday to Sunday 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, 24/7 online after sales email service. Fits U.S. standard left and right doors. Women and men install it in minutes with just a screwdriver. Original price, $64.99, now discounted 40% to $38.99. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 5. JOBYNA Heating Pad for Shoulder Back Pain Relief. 19.7 inch by 15 inch large heating pad offers full and snug coverage, perfect for both men and women, also suitable for tall or strong people. Primarily designed for the shoulders, back and chest, the heated pads can also be flexibly applied to the abdomen, waist, legs. Original price, $32.59, now discounted 50% to $16.29. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 6. Facial Treatment Mask, Pack of 1. A luxurious facial mask with an indulgent concentration of patera in a single application. Set contains 10 facial masks and 10 body masks. Prices start at £9.99 for a set of 10 facial masks and go up to £30 for a full set of 12. Original price, $135.0, now discounted 35% to $87.75. Number 7. Bedsure Calming Dog Bed for Small Dogs Donut Washable Small Pet Bed. The S-sized anti-anxiety bed is 23 inches by 23 inches and comfortably fits dogs up to 25 pounds. The raised rim snuggles your cat or dog, offering optimal head and neck support. Premium Ultra Soft filling offers joint and muscle pain relief. With over 20,000 5-star reviews, our calming dog bed is 20% more plush than most competitors. Original price, $33.0, now discounted 39% to $20.0. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 8. Orvilly Tote Backpack for women, 2-in-1 bag and rucksack for girls. The main compartment can hold 14-inch laptop, tablet, glasses, wallet, keys, earphones, power bank, mobile phone. 2 side pockets can accommodate umbrella, water bottles, etc. Backpack dimension 14.76 x 11.41 x 5.71 inch, 38*29*14.5 cm. Backpack is waterproof and durable polyester fabric. Original price, $28.98, now discounted 50% to $14.49. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 9. 24-pack L-bracket corner brace sets, 1.57 by 1.57 inch. 24-pack black brackets, 8 PCS 90-degree LBR brackets, 8 PCS L flat braces, 8 PCS T flat braces. Fastener with 88 screws. Braces made of high-quality stainless steel, durable and sturdy, which is corrosion and rust resistance, can use for longer time. Original price, $11.99, now discounted 50% to $5.99. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 10. uoloao Large Lunch Bag. Lunch bag insulated women has a comfortable detachable and adjustable shoulder strap, which is convenient for carrying. The outer layer of the thermal lunch bag insulated men is made of high-density 600D Oxford cloth, with 8 mm thick pearl cotton insulation in the middle. The inner layer is thermally welded seamless food-grade PVC, waterproof, leak-proof, and convenient for cleaning. Original price, $29.99, now discounted 50% to $14.99. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 11. Power Wi-Fi Mini Projector, 8500L Wi-Fi Mini Projector, 1080p Full HD supported. Power provides 3-year warranty, professional customer service, and free tech support. This wireless projector is compatible with TV stick, Chromecast, PC, laptops, tablet, USB flash drives, DVD player, speakers, PlayStation, Xbox, iOS devices, Android, etc. Original price, $159.99, now discounted 58% to $65.6. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 12. JinRuiKJ Fashion Vintage Square Watches for Women. This dress watches has an elegant design and exquisite workmanship, classic octagonal square with a copper dial with malachite texture. The quartz watch uses a coin cell SR626SW, so the battery life of a new battery is about 2 to 3 years. Note, the watch consumes battery power when it leaves the factory, and your actual use time will be a little shorter. Original price, $48.69, now discounted 50% to $24.34. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. That's all for today. Notice that most of the coupon code of the deals can be expired very soon, so be sure to subscribe to catch up-to-date offers. If you're looking for something specific, just let me know in the comments below and we'll keep an eye out for it. See you next time.